to add caption and subtitle text as types on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on accessibility. So you will see accessibility is here, so click on accessibility. Now here, so click on hearing enhancement. So after click on hearing enhancement, click on caption preference. So after click on caption preference, so click on caption size and style. So after click on caption size and style, so click on text size. So after click on text size, so you will see select very large, very small, small and large, and click on normal and caption style. So you will see, so if you want to set custom, so click on custom. So you will see set custom from here. So click on edge types. So you will see after selecting, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can add caption, subtitle, text edge on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.